Elevate your baking, the art of healthy baking with gluten-free ingredients. Have you ever wondered if baking can be both a delight for your taste buds and a boon for your well-being? Healthy baking with gluten-free ingredients promises to unveil the secrets behind how you can indulge in the joy of baking while embracing the health benefits of a gluten-free approach. But how does gluten-free baking offer a path to both culinary satisfaction and improved health? Join us on a delectable journey where you'll discover the incredible world of healthy baking with gluten-free ingredients. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. The journey commences with the captivating concept of healthy baking with gluten-free ingredients, a practice that transcends traditional baking and explores the remarkable potential of alternative flours and ingredients. It's about recognizing that your culinary creations can be both nutritious and delicious. Discover how this practice becomes the cornerstone of not just healthier baking but also an elevated culinary experience. In a world where gluten is prevalent in many baked goods, the allure of gluten-free baking's transformative potential captivates. This is where the magic of adaptation and innovation shines. Explore how this practice empowers individuals to embrace a versatile range of gluten-free flours, grains, and ingredients to create baked delights that are both indulgent and nourishing. It's about shifting the paradigm of baking, redefining what's possible in the world of pastries, bread, and treats. The journey takes an inspiring turn as we delve into the numerous benefits of embracing healthy baking with gluten-free ingredients. From catering to gluten sensitivities and allergies to providing a nutrition boost and enabling culinary creativity, you'll learn how this approach can significantly enhance your baking repertoire. Uncover the science behind how alternative flours and ingredients can offer unique textures and flavors to your baked goods, all while making them suitable for a wider range of dietary needs. It's not just about substituting ingredients, it's also about the art of mastering the delicate balance of taste and nutrition. The captivating element of the journey lies in how individuals can take charge of their baking by understanding the qualities and characteristics of different gluten-free flours, experimenting with new recipes, and savoring the culinary adventure. Discover how this practice not only offers solutions to gluten-related issues but also broadens your horizons in the kitchen. Healthy baking with gluten-free ingredients isn't about compromising on taste or texture. It's about creating a culinary experience that's inclusive, creative, and health-conscious. We'll delve into various gluten-free flour options, baking techniques, and delectable recipes that will help you make the most of your journey toward healthier and more inclusive baking. Whether you're dealing with gluten sensitivities, seeking to expand your baking repertoire, or simply curious about the world of gluten-free delights, you'll have all the tools you need to successfully unlock the secrets of healthy baking with gluten-free ingredients and embark on a transformative culinary journey. Efficiency is a cornerstone of this journey. You'll find that healthy baking with gluten-free ingredients can be a practical and time-effective approach to expanding your culinary horizons. With the right knowledge and a passion for creating delectable gluten-free treats, you can seamlessly integrate these practices into your baking routine, ensuring that every creation is a masterpiece of taste and nutrition. Practical guidance is a vital part of this journey. We'll offer tips, techniques, and resources to help you embrace gluten-free baking as a means to embark on a transformative journey of culinary creativity and health-conscious indulgence. Whether you're seeking solutions to gluten-related dietary needs, looking to impress your friends and family with delicious treats, or simply want to explore the world of gluten-free baking, you'll have all the tools you need to successfully unlock the secrets of healthy baking with gluten-free ingredients and delight in the joy of both culinary art and well-being. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.